Ha! Dance fight, Balthazar. Prepare to be blasted back into the 80s.
Oh, no, you don't. You're not sending me to the 80s this time, Gru.
Oh yeah, you've got 3 seconds to dance, Balthazar Bratt. Let this battle begin.
Oh, you're so going down.
Almost got you.
Oh no! If I mess this up, I'm cooked!
I win, Bratt. You are dead.
No! No!
Yes, Bratt. You are no match for the heroic AVL headquarters team. Now, accept your defeat and let me take you in.